5 months from now, dito pa rin kaya tayo?
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, forever and ever. Promise. Promise.
Ay, pabilis ka rin yan. For the benefit of CBS Media. Thank you!
You would always ask me those words.
Oh, intern! MRT day to day. Huwag ka na bumahon, maliliit ka lang. Caffeine yan, masama yun sa katawan. Sabi ko sa'yo, hindi ka sana pumasok, hindi ka na permiso.
Sean ako na. Sean ako na. Sean! I don't even know kung tama ko itong ginagawa ko. Pero ano kailangan ko tapusin ko.
Intern, gusto mo pa ba magpakasol?
Sean, I'm so sorry.
When summer ends,
Kung gusto mo magbakasyon, then go. Magbakasyon ka. Pero kung gusto mo nang graduate, then just be strong. Magiging mahirap at masakit. But hopefully, all the pain will be worth it.
how long should you hold on?
Apex week lang, promise. 1, 2, 3, 4. Peace.
How soon should you let go?
Stand up. You're going to stand up. Stand up. Sean, change na pala. Bago mo routine.
DJ Star, nice to meet you.
How do you move on?
Yes! Break na! Yes! Break na! O, selfie tayo, selfie. Bye! Yes! Ganda naman yung dito. Bet, koso. Grade na yan? Wala to, grade ko kasi ang baba ng grade mo. Yan, mga estudyante yung galing 10 grade. Mga bagong 10 grade girl. Good.
Ay, mga bago pa yung nag-send. Ayan.
Kasi hanggang ngayon umaasa pa rin ako sabihin mo bakasyon pa rin. Bakasyon na lang ulit.
You had me for so many years. They had me for a week, and you chose to break my heart.
Yun ba yung tingin mo, Sean? I just made a choice.
And you chose internship.
May patient ka ako eh.
From Star Cinema comes a story about how vacation ends, internship starts, and people move on.
For this is all I know. I'll never go far away from.
For anyone who went on a break and came back,